If you think you need a perfect 50 video plan before you start YouTube, let's throw that idea out right now. You don't need 100 ideas. You don't need 50 ideas. You need 5 smart videos that work together. In this video, I'm going to show you how just 5 simple videos can launch your channel the right way and why that's way more powerful than posting random stuff. Here's what most beginners do. They stress over their first video. They upload something random like, "Hey guys, welcome to my channel." And then they have no idea what to do next. And then they wonder why nothing happens. Instead, I want you to think in terms of a 5-video launch pack, not a trailer, not a masterpiece, just a mini library that answers 3 questions for your viewers. First, is this channel for someone like me? Second, can this person actually help me? Third, do I trust them enough to come back? Videos can do that. One video almost never does. So let me show you the exact roles of those 5 videos and why they work, especially if you're starting later in life, like me. Now let me be clear. We're not just picking 5 random topics. Each video has a job. Here's the structure I recommend. Video number 1, who I help and what this channel is about. This isn't a rambling autobiography. It's a clear promise. This channel is for who, and we're going to tackle what problem. For example, this channel, starting and growing YouTube after 40, the why, what, and how beginner's guide. That's kind of me. Video number 2, a simple how-to video. Solve one clear problem. Pick the one most obvious, painful beginner problem your person has. So for me, I would go, over 40 and want to start YouTube, do this first. Video number 3, your story and why you care. This is where they get to know you. Your viewer gets to understand you a little bit. It's not a life story. It's just a part that connects to their struggle. For example, for me, I started YouTube later in life. Here's what I tell you to do first. Video number 4, a simple how-to video. Build it directly on video 2. If video 2 is start, video 4 is what to do next. For example, your first 5 YouTube videos, step by step for beginners over 40. Video 5, mistakes or frequently asked questions. This catches fears, objections, and common roadblocks. Example, 3 mistakes I made starting YouTube in my 40s. Actually, for me, it's my 60s. So don't repeat them. Together, those 5 videos say to your viewer, you belong here. I can help you. I understand what you're going through. Now let's talk about why this works, not in theory, but in real viewing behavior. Think about the last time you discovered a new channel you liked. You didn't just watch one video and walk away forever. You watched one and then maybe another one. Maybe you clicked on their story video or on a mistake to avoid video. Now that's exactly what you're creating here. Video 2 is your first how-to video, and it's an entry point. People find it from search or recommendations, and they like it. And then they look for, well, who is this person? So they click on video 1 or video 3. And then they go, well, what do I do next? Well, then they click on video 4. What should I avoid? They click on video 5. You just turned one curious viewer into someone who's watched 3 or 4 of your videos. And what do people who watch 3 or 4 videos of the same person usually do? Well, they subscribe and they come back and they start to actually trust you. So when I say 5 videos can launch your channel, that's the proof. They, meaning these videos, create a natural binge path for the exact person you want to serve. So let's make this even more concrete with 2 example sets. First one would be my niche, over 40 faith-inspired YouTube beginners. Video 1, start YouTube after 40, the no fluff beginner's guide. Video 2, over 40 and want to start YouTube? Do this first. Video 3, I started YouTube later in life. Here's what I'd tell you to do first. Video 4, your first 5 YouTube videos, a step-by-step for beginners over 40. Video 5, 3 mistakes I made starting YouTube later in life, so you don't have to repeat them. See the pattern? 1 is a who and what. Video 2 and 4, practical steps. Video 3, story and connection. And video 5, mistakes, and frequently asked questions. Now, here's another example. Let's say you help busy moms declutter their homes. Video 1. This channel is for the overwhelmed moms who want a calmer home. Video 2. Feeling overwhelmed by clutter? Start with this one drawer. Video 3. My breaking point with clutter, how I finally got my home back. Video 4. The 15-minute daily declutter routine for busy moms. Video 5. 5 decluttering mistakes that keep your home stuck in chaos. Different niche, same structure. 5 videos, 1 type of viewer, 1 core problem. Quick word about the algorithm without making your eyes glaze over. YouTube basically asks this: do people click your stuff? Do they stick around? Do they watch more than one of your videos? This 5-video launch pack answers all 3. Clear titles and topics, more clicks. Focused, helpful content, people stay. Connected videos that logically lead to each other. People watch more than one of them. You don't have to hack the algorithm. You just have to serve your viewers so well that YouTube can see people are sticking around. This 5-video start makes the whole thing a lot easier. Now, I don't want this to be just interesting. I want this to be transforming, like change what you do this week kind of a thing. So here's what I'd like you to do this week. Identify your next big step. Ask yourself, what's the real reason I haven't mapped out my first 5 videos yet? Is it fear of choosing wrong? Perfectionism? Feeling behind? Write down that reason. Get it out of your head and onto paper. Clarity eliminates fear. Now take a calculated step of faith. Today, not next month, I want you to sketch out your own 5-video launch pack. So, video 1, who you help, what your channel is about. Video 2, a simple how-to. Video 3, your story and why it matters. Video 4, a next step how-to. Video 5, mistakes or frequently asked questions. It doesn't have to be pretty. It just has to be real. Faith doesn't wait until the plan is perfect. It moves while things are still a little messy. We know that. Maybe you're scared. You're thinking, what if these aren't the perfect 5 videos? Well, here's the truth. The only wrong 5 videos are the 5 you never make. Every creator you admire posts not quite their content to get where they are now. Just watch some of their earlier videos. You'll know what I mean. So instead of asking, what if these don't do well? Ask, what if these 5 are the start of something you wish you'd done years ago? The biggest risk isn't picking wrong topics. The biggest risk is staying stuck in your head for another 40 years. Now, if this helps, I would love for you to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. My name's Bill. I'm over here in Colorado. I've started this channel well over 40, and I'd love for you guys to join me. If this video has helped, give me a thumbs up. Love for you to subscribe, especially if you're over 40 and finally serious about building a channel with purpose. I started well over 40. I should have started back then, but that's another story. In the comments, put down your niche or your problem, or just say hi. And remember, I want you to make yourself a home on YouTube. I'm doing it. Love for you to join me. Now watch this next. Or this. Yeah.